Crossing the Dubai Creek by boat is a most popular mode of transport for many of the city's residents and tourists. The boats used are small motorized water taxis called Abras. They can hold around 20 people and offer the cheapest and fastest means of traveling between Deira and Bur Dubai. Forget expensive private cruises. This is the real way to see the creek. The water taxi is one of those must-dos in Dubai. The value is ridiculously cheap, and it's a good 5 to 10 minute ride. The fare for a traditional Abra ride is just 1 dirham. The price is an absolute bargain. It is paid to the Abra driver. No tickets are issued. If you want a personalized cruise, it's also possible to charter an Abra by the hour. No booking is required. Just turn up at any station and speak to a driver. Dubai Creek is worth a visit. Check out some market stalls. Spice Souk is right there. Buy something quirky and cross the creek on the local water taxi.